Sorry, buddy. Sorry, I'm having a bad hair day. I'll wait a minute or two, see if anybody wants to hop on. Otherwise, you can watch the replay. I'm doing this before I just got home from work, and I want to get this done before I relax for the night. I received my Scentsy Club order today, and I'll give it a more minute here. Yeah. All right. And how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Here we go. Alright, some of the perks you get with a Scentsy Club subscription is my favorite, which is what I mostly take advantage of for myself and for close friends, or even as future gifts and prizes. The always get my bar feature is awesome. Like bring back my bar specials, limited edition scents like the Nightmare Before Christmas, NFL, NHL, the villain scents that go with that, special Disney and Marvel scents, all that stuff. If you add it to your club subscription before 30 days is up after its release, you will always get that bar as long as you have a subscription. Alright. Also, you get an additional item at a half price on your orders over $60. Personally, I get the whiff box, which is normally $30. It's also a customizable shipping schedule. You set it and forget it. Most popular products is whiff bars, or the whiff box, the wax bars, laundry products, light bulbs, scent circles, and car bars. All you have to do is create a subscription, choose the products you'd like, choose your shipping schedule, and then take advantage of club exclusive perks such as always get my bar, and also there's bricks for those who really like bricks. And you get 10% discount on all orders over $30. All right. For my club subscription this month, I've got the bars that I like the most, and some of the customers or family members that don't get out much like. So I put them in my club subscription because they're really scents I like. The first one up is Route 66. This is kind of a manly scent, but it's really, really good. That was a Bring Back My Bar limited scent. Also, Echo. Very good. Another manly scent. And Southern Evening. Another manly scent. So you never know. You may get any of these for a prize someday. I also have Beach, which really, it does. It's so fresh. I love that one. And then we have Beach Daisy. Got two of those. And then my favorite scent from the fall winter catalog of 2020 is the almond croissant. I cannot get enough of this scent. I also got sea salt and avocado. That's one of my most popular fresh scents that people really love. I also have one of the Find Your Happy bars. This one's showered in flowers. You can get the whole entire collection as a set still on the website, but if you just want individual bars, the only way you can do that is by adding it into the club. And then I have Simply Rose, which is Simply Rose. And then, of course, Johnny Appleseed. Those are the bars I got for the always get my bars. Now, I also get a whiff box, which is normally $30, but I get it for $15 with like Scentsy subscription. It's like every month is different. There's always a sample of the scent of the month for next month in there. And all kinds of things. Full-size products, sample-size products, all kinds of great things. This is this month's box. Whoops. Something. Comes with a cute little flyer. Festive and fun. And you open it up. It has Halloween is here. If you need any last-minute decor or just want to add a handmade touch to your decorations, you can put together these adorable paper lanterns in 3 easy steps. Oh, that's cute. And they give you 3 lantern patterns. And that's basically what you're making these little paper. That is cute. Alright, the description of this box says, cider is a quintessential fall drink, so we're celebrating this festive brew. Your October whiff box is a cider sampler, full of fragrances inspired by this classic beverage. Enjoy. Well, let's see what we got. Ooh, I got the cider mill scent circle and some of the confetti. Ooh, apple and cinnamon stick bar. Ooh, wow. I got a bright cider life bar. And honey pear cider room spray. Ooh, we have some shimmer soft scent, which is a laundry product. We got the shimmer laundry soap. Shimmer washer whiffs. They add such a boost to the smell of your laundry. And then, in a second shimmer washer lift. I might be using that in my laundry tonight. Oh, and I also got another bar. This is, they gave us a whole entire bar for the scent of the month for this month. That was nice. Walnut raisin muffin. I love that. This is October scent of the month. And then cedar cider. Yeah, pretty good. And all that for there's usually a little sample of the next month's scent, but I must fall out of the box somewhere. I don't know. But all that, this, all these bars I got this month, and all these laundry line things and a scent circle, $15. That's a good deal, considering these are $6 a piece themselves, and these are $3. Some months you'll get a whole entire bottle of laundry soap or our cleaning supplies, things like our Scentsy Fresh, or maybe even counter clean. These do not come in this month, but some months you get that. And it's always the same price for the whiff box. And so you should give it a try. If you need more information, just let me know and I can help you out. Have an awesome day.